Hello, my name is Grant, this is Endorphin Empire, and welcome to episode 1 of walking all of the Wainwrights in only 36 walks. Good morning everyone, and we are nicely into our walk now. It might be 10 minutes in, so not too far yet. I've just set off from Glenridding for episode 1 of our Doing the Lakes in 36 walks kind of series. 36 walks. It's going to take a while. If I averaged one a month, that's 3 years. Oh, I'm already out of breath and we're only going to go in 10 minutes. The Lake District, stunning place, obviously made popular by the likes of Beatrix Potter, William Wordsworth, Taylor Swift's song The Lakes. It's probably one of the most popular tourist destinations in the country, and especially since COVID, I think that's just ramped up with some internal tourism happening now, which is fantastic. So it's good to showcase it, isn't it? No wind, no rain, absolutely wonderful conditions overhead. So yeah, I'm looking forward to it. You might have clocked my schnazzy hat. I know a lot of you do quite like the hat choices I make, but these 36 walks, they are going to be quite exciting, I hope. I'm definitely a fair weather hiker when it comes to trying to record and stuff like that, so I'll try to do these on good weather days, which isn't always the case in the lake, so it might be few and far between, but we will get them all done. These routes are posted by a website called The Walking Englishman, and it's fantastic. They've planned all 36 routes, so you can go on there, you can choose a route you'd like to do, you can download the data, put it onto your smartwatch, so you've got the route, and then you can get going. We're doing route 1 today, and the Wainwrights that we're going to be ticking off are Birkhouse, Moor, Helvellyn, Nethermost Pike, Dollywaggon, Pike, Sandal, Sunday Crag, Birks and Arneson Crag. So 8 in total, plus we're going over Striding Edge. So quite an exciting starting route, starting hard. In terms of today, I am by myself, so I've got water, I've got maps, I've got all that sort of stuff, all the fun stuff. Underfoot, I'm just wearing my trail running shoes, which is fine. I've got plenty of food with me because it's about a 7 or 8 hour walk this today. So with it being a 7 or 8 hour walk, you probably do want to make sure you've got that level of fitness, because I do think that running fitness is very different to walking fitness. 7 hours on your feet is pretty challenging. So I'm excited for that. Let's get into it today. At the moment, we haven't really started anything. I'm 10 minutes or so in past Glenridding, so let's actually get some elevation and let's go and see some of these decent views. I'm excited. Now, we left Glenridding about 8 AM and straight up towards Birkhouse Moor. It is a steep ascent up here, but it's quite a popular route, so the route is well maintained and it's hard to go off course. I'm not actually going to play you any music while you see the next few videos. You'll see me go from Glenridding all the way up to Birkhouse Moor. I'm just going to let you enjoy the sounds of nature, enjoy the scenery. It was quite a quiet day, so hopefully you enjoy this. We'll maybe chuck some music in a bit later. We are about 3 kilometres into this walk. Quite a lot of climbing those first 3 kilometres. And we've just got our first glimpse of Helvellyn. From Birkhouse Moor, it's quite an easy little walk over towards Striding Edge. You are going to see most of this climb now, and I'll kind of explain the route as we go a bit too, but we're heading over Striding Edge towards Helvellyn over in the distance. If you're not too sure on what Helvellyn is, it's the big flat sort of peaked mountain in the background there. It's the second highest mountain, I believe, in England. Scafell Pike being first. On the right hand side there's a lovely arete, and that's called Swirl Edge. On the left, just hidden behind this little mound now, is Striding Edge, obviously a very popular one. Now we're about to start heading over Striding Edge. It's always good to have lots of clothing for these events, because although down at Glenridding it was warm, windless, blue skies, it is still relatively windless, blue skies, but it's cold. every 100 metres up you lose on average about a degree in temperature, so up here it might be only 3 or 4 degrees at the moment, which is chilly. But yeah, I'm going to head over Striding Edge now. I won't talk to you from now, I'm going to let you enjoy the scenery. The next time I speak to you will be at the top of Helvellyn. Yay, we're at the top of Helvellyn.
Helvellyn is the highest point in the climb, and from here I headed down over Nethermost Pike and Dollywaggon Pike towards Grisdale Tarn, and that was the main bit of the loop today. At Grisdale Tarn I'm going to stop and have my lunch, which we'll see shortly, but you can just enjoy the rest of the route on the way down now.
We're now probably half an hour post Helvellyn, so we're coming down. It's a bit cloudier now, quite moody looking clouds. You can't see them there. There you can. I'm going to let you do a little lunch review of me today. I think you can judge someone quite a lot by their choice in meal deal. I judge people quite hard. I'm going to let you judge me today. I'm a brave man doing this. I'm a risk taker, I think, showing you my meal deal choices, but let's go for it. For our sandwich today, I've gone for barbecue, pulled beef, there's cheese in there too, red Leicester, really good choices. For my snack, I've gone for a Twix, a white chocolate Twix extra, so you get extra calories, I guess, extra sugar. And my drink choice today is different to my usual one, purely because we're out on a big long walk, but I have gone for cherry Coca-Cola. I do have a little question as I go and figure out the rest of this routes and try to navigate the rest of these WAINWRIGHTS. So for anyone watching, anyone who's maybe a bit more of an expert in the lakes or hiking or climbing in general, and even as trail runners actually, what's the one piece of equipment that you think is the most important thing for anyone who's getting into this sort of thing to have? Yeah, what would you say? Just give me some suggestions in the comments, because I think that'd be quite exciting to compare what comes up and see if there's any trends.
After lunch, the plan was to head around the Tarn and up Seat Sandal. I couldn't find the path to get up Seat Sandal, annoyingly. My Garmin was giving me a few GPS issues, so I did just end up going around Grisdale Tarn, which was fine, but it just means I have to come back and go up Seat Sandal again another day.
If you're a fan of warm, dry feet, I wouldn't follow the route this just told me to go. I've just walked from way back there, around the side of this tarn, and the path is essentially non-existent. I was walking on the sponge, as it seems, like my feet are absolutely drenched. I was going to joke about it, but oh look, it's a bit wet, and then it got really wet, and then my feet were completely bogged. Okay, so the Tarn is quite literally behind us, which I'm glad about. My shoes are dry now, my socks are dry-ish. I really struggled to stick to the path around there. I think it was a bit of a hit and miss route. Nice, the views by the time you got up the little hill at the back were decent. But now heading down to this spectacular looking valley. I'm going to shut up and just show you my route.
From here, the route just ended up taking us up from Grisdale Tarn, over St Sunday Crag, over Birkhouse and over Sunday Crag. The first bit of climbing was quite steep, but then coming down off there is relatively straightforward. There's a well-established path, so it's quite nice to walk along there. Very, very quiet though.
Just a daily reminder that no matter how hard you've worked, there's always, if you can see it, a sheep that's worked harder than you.
Following on from Sunday Crag, the Walking Englishman's GPX route does take you on a little bit of a loop that isn't necessarily that important. You can just walk along the road back to Glenridding to the car. This loop is alright, there's no other WAINWRIGHTS to tick off, but it's just some things to see. If I was to do this route again, I probably wouldn't go this way. I'll just walk along the road and save myself the time.
So I'm pretty much done now. I've got less than a kilometre to the car park and it's just down this half really, so it's not that exciting. I hope you enjoyed that. Significantly longer than I anticipated. I think I've been going for nearly 9 hours. It's about 15 miles in the end. It's probably because of my twisty turny route, but please don't follow my route. I'll post a link in the description below to the GPX route and to the website that has all the routes, so you can have a look at those for yourself. But if you've got anything else that you think I should add, or if you enjoyed it, just let me know. I really appreciate it. It is something new for me, and I have got a significant amount of editing to do to make this seem anywhere near understandable or enjoyable, I think. But no, it's been a good little route. And as always, if you enjoyed it, remember, like, comment, share, subscribe. It really does mean a lot to me. And remember, one walk or one run won't make you fit, and one pizza won't make you fat. Just get out there, enjoy doing some activities, and I'll see you again soon from a new location. Ciao.